There's a helicopter just landed behind next door neighbor of Tammy Manning's house, Franklin Township. First time I've seen this. I don't know what time it is, maybe around noon. This is the field behind the neighbor's house. Oh, there's Craig's here, another friend of Tammy's. So we'll try and ask the neighbors across the road. They talk to these people why they're here. I'll see if I can take some pictures.
Who is it there, did they say?
No, I didn't get a chance to talk to them yet.
Huh?
I didn't get a chance to talk to them. I just arrived. Yeah, I just arrived like 2 minutes ago. We're gonna ask the neighbors across the road. They talked to them.
Who did?
The guys across the road, the business over there, the marina.
Oh, they did.
Yeah. So this looks like a private little helicopter, right?
Yes.
Doesn't look like a commercial thing. And this is reporter WSKG.
How you doing? Nice to meet you. Yeah, Tammy called me.
Oh, she did, yeah. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. So we were in Montrose, you know, looking around at sites, and the courthouse.
It's not a legal place for them to really land.
Is not?
No, land doesn't belong to them. It belongs to Bob, the guy that owns Bob Lee that owns this property.
Bob Lee owns this field?
Yeah. He lets Phil and Shelley lease it to do
Yeah, right. It must have been maybe a problem, yeah.
Nope. That?
Uh-oh, that didn't sound good, yeah.
Nope.
Uh-oh.
Not getting his power.
Trouble.
It's set down again.
Yeah.
You don't want to be that close to the ground because if he has a problem.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, something's going on there. He'll set down again.
Oh, yeah. He might go in the trees there,
man.
Yeah,
you got to watch it. It's really close. Those rotors are not as strong as you would think.
Yeah, man. Doesn't look good.
Hear the motor is not. The engine's not sounding proper. No, he's gonna turn around and see it's staying low. Something's wrong. See that?
Yep.
There we go. Maybe he's deciding to push it down. Let's see.
Oh, it's better.
Well, we'll see. Thanks for heading right at us.
Hopefully, you don't hit us.
Do a vertical takeoff, you did more of a run pattern.
He might have to land again, maybe.
I don't know. Let's see. Something happened to make him want to land, unless we're looking at something here in particular. But
yeah.
It's kind of like he's testing it to make sure it's going to go. Because if you get in a spot where you don't have an open field like this, you're in big trouble, man. That thing will fall right through the trees, rip all the thing apart.
It looks like a dragonfly.
What is that rolling up there?
Something's rolling?
Rolling up there on that road. There's like a brown thing rolling right there. What is that?
I don't know. can't see. I guess he's okay. He seems far higher up.
Yeah.
That was
I'd
cool.
have to find out why he would have landed.
Yeah,
in the
we have to
field.
go across the road, talk to the guys there.
I don't know if this is Coy's. I don't think it's. Maybe it's Coy's field. Maybe he lets them use. But I thought it was Tammy's.
Holenbeck uses it. Not Holenbeck. I mean
No,
Depew.
Right.